She's standing. Walking and he's like yelling and telling her she should have worked. Alright, y'all, good morning. It's 8:09 in the morning. I've been up for about like the past hour. I know good and well either I want a nap later or I'm gonna be in bed by 8:30. There's no way in the world. These are the weekends where, like, I love my mama, do, but it's just like, oh my gosh, do I have to get up so early to come over there? Do I have to, you know, like, whatever. Every time she's here, she's like, just take my car home. Just take my car home. You know what? You gonna start just bringing me home, okay? Because I shouldn't have to get up this early. Where to leave out? First of all, it's raining. My mom has to drive an hour and 30 minutes back home, basically to Chesterfield, Colonial Heights, Richmond area. The rain is just like, it's not even, it's like drizzling, but it's like coming down, if you get what I'm saying. Let me show you. Her volume be tripping, like, you turn it up. Praise and worship. So she needs to stop and get gas, take me and Scott, and I guess probably Cam back home. I made a list of things for my kids to do at home, in those rooms. Of course, you know, my little one really ticked me off with hiding stuff in the closet. Don't get me wrong, we all used to do it as a kid, but it's just like, you try to prevent your kid from doing the same stuff you did, and they found your trick, okay? So she's gonna put all that stuff away. Her bed stuff will get washed in a little bit. His will too. He's gonna put his stuff away. I have these cabinets that I got from my grandmother from Temu, which are really great. And the reason why I say they're really great is because they hold a lot. So as you guys seen, the one that I had in my room has like my souvenir container. It has my iPad in it. I also, you know, put my books in there on one thing with my goalie gummies. It's just like anything that I can put in there to, you know, store on my side of the bed, I've done that. So when I, you know, knew that that'd be a good option, I was like my grandmother ordered like 5 of them. Why, I don't know, but she can always order more. Yesterday she was like, oh, you're getting another one for Christmas. No, I'm not. I don't have any space as it is. So we've been living in this house for about 8 years, coming up in March. We've been there since 2017. When we first moved in, of course, like, we didn't have much, but at the same time, over the 8 years, we have added in, you know, new things like rolling carts. We've added in, like, you know, a movie stand. We've added in my desk. We've added in his desk. You know, like, you know what I mean? Like, over the years, you accumulate stuff. So basically, we don't have like much wall space. Nobody does in any room, and so it's not like, oh, you know, stacked up to the ceiling. By all means, I am, you know, very organized. But like I said, they make really great organizational storing bins. So that is what they're gonna do when they get home. Showers, hair, cleaning, getting their bed stuff washed, and you know, kind of just go from there with that. I am not meal prepping this week for work because I have a tuna fish kit for tomorrow, because, you know, Mondays suck. And then I just really have 4 days this week, so it's gonna be a good sandwich week. Shoot, ham, cheese, So anyways, I will catch up with y'all a little later. I'm trying to do, Scott wants me to crochet the pre-made box braids in like we did for vacation. But my thing is, I'm gonna have to go back and look at that photo because I don't remember any of that. You know what I mean? I don't remember what that hairstyle looked like. So he is really jamming this morning. Okay, all done with the hair. Time for dinner. I'm making these all the pizzas. We got the Halloween shaped pumpkin pizza. We have the Halloween ghost shaped pizza, and then I'm making the 3-ingredient cookies with the yellow cake mix box. 2 eggs, half a cup of oil. On the side of our pizzas, we'll just do some cinnamon applesauce and some grapes because we've kind of missed out on a bunch of good, fruit lately with dinner. We do our vegetables, but fruit we don't really do a good job on. So that's that. I'm gonna get ready to pull these pizzas out, put them on a tray. Hopefully they both can fit on my tray. All right, so my mom gave me this gift card for $5 towards Starbucks. I'm just grabbing some breakfast, like a little cheese Danish. I'll make it home tonight. Let me make love to you for the last time, baby. I think my whole thing is that I have to get through 15 more days, possibly like 15. Yeah, I have to get through 15 more days, okay? As I'm filming this, today is October the 13th. And man, let me tell you, I'm worn out. I mean, good thing is like I have videos like, stacked up and can put out. But then it's just like times you're sitting back like, what content can I do? So I want to do like a spooky season playlist type of vlog. I want to do, a vlog where we try different fall treats, snacks, food, drinks. But I also want to, I've already done like a morning routine. I've already done an afternoon routine. Like literally I have to just sit down and replan and do all that this afternoon. But baby girl says she got a little boo-boo. She got boo-boo? My boo-boo got boo-boo? Let me see. Aw. I'm sorry. We'll put some on that. Okay. Oh, my baby. Did you cry?
No.
Oh, you just said ow?
No, because...
All right, y'all. 7:15. I gotta be working 15 minutes. The good thing is I literally work a minute back down the street. My whole thing is I made me a hot coffee at home this morning. But until I get my vanilla creamer back, I don't know what it is with this pumpkin spice creamer, but I ain't happy. I'm not satisfied. So yeah. For lunch today, I decided to do a ham and cheese roll up in a and a sun-dried tomato wrap. And then I also bought 2 Raising Cane's chicken tenders that I had from Saturday and some grapes. That's lunch, y'all. I even bought like some fruit snacks. I bought like a little bag of Nutty Buddy cookies. I mean, and a thing of salt and vinegar chips. I gotta get my morning started off right, and y'all know I do, because if I don't, I get headaches. And I gotta make sure I got food at all times. So that's what I'm here for. Now I have 13 minutes to get to work, and then this line is lining, okay? So I'll try to get my drink and head on back down the hill to work and get my day started. Mondays are the worst, you know, because we just like I say, just go boom, boom, boom. Tuesdays go a lot smoother. But I'm gonna get this $6 meal deal. Anybody else getting something? Y'all don't even want to try to wake up wrap sandwich?
No.
Donut, munchkin, okay. I tell y'all, it really irritates me that Wells Fargo's like, oh, you guys will get paid up to 2 days faster, and then 2 days comes beforehand faster and you don't get paid. So like, you know, here it is, you got rent that needs to be paid, and you're having to tell the landlord like, oh, I, you know, thought that I get paid 2 days early, blah, 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 blah. You know, it's just like, what is taking so long for my check to hit? On top of that, just because it's a bank day doesn't mean anything. Like, it should still have hit yesterday. And on top of that, this is one of those checks where we subbed for the teachers the 2 days, so it should be a nice check. But anyways, I did not finish my sticks food, so I'm going home to finish that. Me and the kids will, you know, eat whatever it is we want, sandwiches or roll-ups. Charles is going with a friend out to eat, so I ain't gotta worry about nothing. But like I said, at least we got food, and that's what we will do. I thought that I was gonna have like a scary movie night last night, but I ended up not doing it. I mean I did, but not the movie that I originally wanted to see. All right, y'all. It's the next day, as you guys can see. I didn't get the chance to watch Hocus Pocus. Yesterday, me and Chuck just sat back and watched Scream, the first one. We watched like some other, you know, like scary movies on different apps. And I just never got around to it, especially because, like I told y'all yesterday, on Mondays, it's like wrestling in this house as far as the men, and the ladies just kind of do their own thing. So with him going out to eat this afternoon with a good friend, I'm going to put Hocus Pocus on. I'm going to make the vibe vibey in here to get ready for fall. I mean, I really feel like with all the sunlight and with the changing of the weather, like it's not really, you know, like fall officially yet. The changing of the weather is like 1 minute I wake up in the morning, it's like anywhere between 40 and 55 degrees. And then by 9 o'clock, it is back up to 72. In the afternoons, like right now, it's 72. But then when it's time for bed, it's like starting to get in the 60s. So it's not really feeling like, you know, just like that cold weather yet. But it will get there. So that's what I want to do. I do have my food left over from lunch today because I took food, but I also bought food. So I have sticks left over, which is 2 chicken kebabs, rice, lettuce and tomato, and then like 1 or 2 onion rings left. And for lunch today, I took a sun-dried tomato wrap with ham and cheese in it, and then I took 2 chicken tenders from Raising Cane's that I had from Saturday with the sauce, and I had some grapes. So regardless of whatever the kids want to have for dinner this afternoon, we'll do it. Even if we need to go pick up a pizza, we will do just that too, which I think would be really good because I really want the deluxe pizza. And I'm sure they would probably just want cheese, and kind of just go from there and have a cozy evening in, but we shall see what that beholds. I did get a mat over the weekend that I want to decorate, so I want to share that with you guys too. Hopefully in the next few like hours. I want to do that, especially before bed. That way I can, you know, get it to dry and then seal it tomorrow when I come in, because I'm not sure exactly how long it's going to take to dry. It shouldn't take long because you're literally just brushing it on there, but we shall see. Alright, so I ended up making hamburgers, a pumpkin chestnut test cake, and spaghetti. Spaghetti will be for tomorrow. Chuck has a movie that we're gonna watch. We're gonna watch The Strangers Chapter 2, or Part 2, whatever it is. I'm just excited. A good old spooky night, watching a good old spooky movie. Food on and cooking, and I'm ready to get out this kitchen.